Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be participating in the collaboration Caitlan the Cat setup, where she asked everyone to make a piece of a chain with some specific dimensions. All the information is going to be in the description below. Now, I'm not a wood turner, so I've decided to do it in a little bit of a different way, and I'm going to be taking these pieces of old hardwood flooring. It's red oak hardwood flooring I got from my friend who is redoing his house. And I'm going to be making it into a ring. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Well, this is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. So I know oak's not the best choice for this, but I wanted to make it out of that old flooring. It's just too brittle and it keeps breaking. So back to the drawing board again. Now I just need to find a way to glue this all together into a ring. I hope you enjoyed that video where I made this ring for Caitlan the Cat's ring collaboration. It was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I only showed you guys one time making the thing out of oak, but I actually made a whole bunch of them. Some of them were pretty brittle and would break if you touched them wrong. Some wouldn't bend. And so I failed, but I wanted to share the fail with you because I think it's important to say, even if you fail, just keep trying, maybe try something different, and hopefully it all works out for you. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to see more. Until next time, cheers, and have a great day.